Green Dot Management Solutions. Experience the power of results. How can I sustain 5S practice? 5 Sustain is a big issue for any industry. This blog will help you to understand why 5 Sustain is important for any industries and how can we do it. Introduction of 5 Sustain. The 5S methodology is a system of organizing workplace areas that dates back to post-World War II Japan. It's designed to improve efficiency, productivity, and overall quality by reducing waste, errors, and hazards to make 5 sustainability in your industry. While 5S is a beneficial approach to streamlining and improving workspaces, it's important to understand the sustainability of the 5S system. In this article, we will explore why 5S sustainability is an issue and what can be done to improve it. Understanding 5S. Before we delve into the topic of sustainability, it's important to understand what 5S is. 5S stands for sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. It's a system that aims to optimize workspaces by eliminating waste and inefficiencies. The 5 steps of 5S include: first, sort, separating necessary items from unnecessary items and removing the latter. Second, set in order, arranging necessary items in an organized manner. Third, shine, cleaning the work area to maintain a high level of cleanliness and order. Fourth, standardize, developing guidelines and procedures for maintaining the first 3 S's. Fifth, sustain, continuously following the 5S principles to ensure sustainability. Importance of 5S sustainability. The 5S methodology has several benefits, such as improving productivity, quality, and safety in the workplace. However, the most significant benefit is that it ensures long-term sustainability. By consistently following the 5S principles, a workplace can maintain a high level of organization and cleanliness, leading to increased efficiency and productivity. This, in turn, leads to cost savings and a competitive advantage for the business. Challenges with 5S sustainability. Despite its benefits, the 5S methodology is often difficult to sustain. Some of the challenges associated with 5S sustainability include: lack of employee engagement. Employees may not fully understand the benefits of 5S, leading to a lack of engagement and participation. Inconsistent implementation. Without consistent implementation, the 5S system can quickly fall apart. Resistance to change. Employees may resist changes to the workplace, making it difficult to implement and sustain 5S principles. How to improve 5S sustainability? To improve 5S sustainability, it's important to address the challenges mentioned above. Here are some ways to improve 5S sustainability in the workplace. Provide training. Train employees on the benefits of 5S and how to implement and sustain it. Assign ownership. Assign ownership of the 5S program to a designated team or individual to ensure consistent implementation and maintenance. Encourage employee participation. Engage employees in the 5S process by involving them in the planning and implementation stages. Set goals and measure progress. Establish goals for 5S implementation and measure progress to track success and identify areas for improvement. Continuously improve. Continuously improve the 5S program by reviewing and refining the process regularly. Best practices for sustainable 5S. Here are some best practices for sustainable 5S. Involve everyone in the process. All employees should be involved in the planning and implementation of 5S. Standardize the process. Develop standardized procedures and guidelines for implementing and sustaining 5S principles. Conduct regular audits. Regularly audit the work area to ensure compliance with 5S principles. Celebrate success. Celebrate successes and milestones to encourage continued participation and engagement. Continuously improve. Continuously improve the 5S program by identifying areas for improvement and implementing changes. Green Dot Management Solutions. Experience the power of results.